Hello and welcome back. Today we will clean our paper sketch for making ready to the digital paint art. I scanned my sketch. If you want, you can take some photo with the good light. It will work with this method. In the Photoshop, first we will duplicate our layer with the Ctrl J. After that, go to Image, Auto Color. It will give this type of black and white vibe. We will clean it, don't worry. After that, add some levels. And bring your black and white notes, which looking cool. Choose them together with Shift and right-click Merge Layers. After that, add some hue saturations and decrease saturations. You can change your blend mode with the overlay or soften light. I choose soften light. Select them together with Shift and right-click Merge Layers. For the cleaning some bit dirty parts, I will use the heel brush with the press Alt and get some white example from the paper and use it like a brush with the left mouse button. After that, get your stamp tool with the same method with Alt, choose your white area, and after that you can clean your character faces or hairs. I won't make it very detailed because we will add some brightness to this. Clean your sketch like that. For the shoes, make same thing. You can decrease your brush size. Work with detail. After all of that, we will add bright and contrast. You can set it how you want. If you don't want to see dirty sketch parts, you can increase your brightness and add some curves. Choose all of them with Shift and right-click Merge Layers. Add new layer and move top of it. And choose your blend mode as multiply. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will make new videos about this. See you later.